Yeah, so let me quickly say this to my brothers and sisters them. See, the video is all about, you see, while we are jump and a fanfare and a run behind people and I go do cult business and them, and I encourage and I instill them things there, and I allow them things to happen in our society, white people and even the police I embrace Rastafari and Nyabinghi. You know, see, so you can't have your own resource you need for use for own benefit and purpose, and I use other people things while people are use phone things. We do that all the while as a people. Watch them video, yeah. We give thanks.
Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You understand what I say? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. And all things that's good. You see, once to welcome our viewers and subscribers. See, viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the channel. You see, now we don't know we are present to the item this morning in a samba mode, you know, cause regardless of what going on, you can't get the horror out of what going on and Mobile. The occult thing we're going on Mobile out of our mind. You know, we always distance them thing get away from we little island. You know, see it. So viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it go to the channel. See? So I'm now start this morning with the Iman prayer, you know. Seeing them probably can indicate to the item how the thing works. So I give thanks to the Most High God, His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, for all that the Eye has done and for all that the Eye is about to do. Rastafari, when I accept the Eye, I give all charge over I man life to the Eye. So anything where the Eye see fit, I man willing and prepared for go with it by the Eye. Policy, politics, and faith. You know, see it. Rastafari let the eye will be done. You know, see it. It's good enough for I. You know, see it. Take all the shield and buckler and stand up for I and I earth. Rastafari, all the I and I will pay attention to this. You know, see it. You know, the most precious name. Emperor Haile Selassie the First. We give thanks. You know, see it. Yes, I. So, I man, you know, I man, they have no officer, I man. Just little more and some bridge, you know, all the reasoning for I just start channel. Seeing about 7 o'clock tonight, British time, 1 o'clock Jamaica time, probably about 2 o'clock New York time or something like that. Seeing, I and some elder, I go all the reasoning. You know, we are all like a conference. Zoom reasoning and broadcast to the item. I just start channel, I go host it. Seeing so item for look out, pay attention and support the thing. You know, see it. Alright. Enough respect to Police Commissioner Owen Ellington. You don't know. This the video I'm gonna play next is it's not a PR stunt. Never. You can't use Rasta for PR stunt. The last thing, there's so many other things. This is definitely a call for an indication of faith and other beings outside ourselves. You know, see it. Beings inside ourselves. This is an attempt at enchanting good nature. You know, see it. And I give thanks and enough respect to the Honorable Owen Ellington. You know, see it. I man love it. I man respect it. I man not just watch a tape here, Rasta. You know, see it. Give thanks, Rastafari. yes, it's not the most perfect, beat, but if you see a member of security force pay such honors and give so much such recognition to I and I, and I give thanks. Our police them, I don't want them feel like say, yeah, our police them Rasta. And we always say that too, we never to beat them down. I don't think so. We kind of beat Owen Ellington a few times but Jah know I man get chased. I man respect that. I man enough people don't see the significance. I know the significance of that, but the spiritual connection and the confrontation between two forces come together there so now for a just cause and a righteous cause. See? And I give thanks. So again, we now take a long time and chat out the thing. This is not about us. See it. Right now, I'm gonna also introduce the item to another group. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm not gonna give away the secret. We are introduce the item to another group where all them own Nyabinghi. See it? I'm want the item sit back, watch it, and please pay attention because them thing are nice, Them thing are, attractive, enticing, see it. So we give thanks in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. Remember to share, like, and subscribe with all the people them who was strayed and brainwashing and mobile. We offer condolences to the family and friends who have suffered. We notice police are struggling for charge with charges. See, I wonder if the pastor now get charged for incitement. He now get charged for conspiracy to murder. He now get charged for spread false doctrine. He now get the blasphemy charge to portray himself as a deity. One hour wait pan. Owen Ellington, watch this. Yeah, we're going to show now people beat Nyabinghi. Well, not how people beat Nyabinghi, but we'll show you other people that beat Nyabinghi. I never beat it still, give thanks. Enough respect to the Bow Chant, enough respect to the tribe, enough respect to Nyabinghi, Orthodox, see, majestically, Rastafari.
Ja, mit oben, da, und dann von da zurück. Ja, wichtig, ganz, Bild was.